guys, it's Jordan with Florida Drone Supply. Our team just got back from the Drone Responders UAS National Public Safety Conference in Williamsburg, Virginia, where we were proud to be a sponsor and supporter, and wow, did we have a blast. With over 500 public safety officers and over 60 exhibitors in attendance from all over the country, we were thrilled to have the opportunity to share test flights, demos, tactics and training, and product information on everything we offer here at Florida Drone Supply. This event was a 2-day show in which we were able to have over 24 hours of flight time for demos and training. We also got to enjoy getting to know other exhibitors and drone experts from all over while learning and teaching about national drone laws. We highlighted some amazing drones, such as the Teledyne FLIR Cyrus, the brand new Autel Alpha, the Parrot Anafi USA Government Edition, the Teal, and several DJI aircrafts like the M350, M30T, the Avata, and more. Thank you to everyone who made this event successful. We can't wait to see you next year. For more information on these products, you can visit floridadronesupply.com. And if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call 855-8-DRONES or send us an email at info@floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you so much for watching and enjoy your flight.